I'll send you off.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yep. See ya.
Yeah, see ya.
So, wanted to try out our new island. Here we are. Check the forecast. Doesn't look like we're gonna have any sign of rain coming anytime soon. So, I don't think setting up camp is gonna be the biggest priority here. So, I have bad news. I left my pan, my oil, and my fishing poles at home. So, we're basically gonna have to scavenge the island to find something to cook with. There happens to be a lot of trash, so I think we can make something work. Okay. I have like a piece of an engine over here or something. No idea what this is. So that is a massive storm cloud, and it's coming directly towards me. Well, dinner's gonna have to wait. Let's set up camp. Shit. Oh, here comes the rain. A freaking tornado. Oh. Ah. So I got the tarp tacked down in the sand. I'm really hoping it holds. I don't think dinner's gonna happen. Take a look at this. Welcome to the rainy abode. I did get a bunch of sand in here, so let's clean that out. So it looks like it's done raining for now. Let's continue the hunt. So this is actually a fish spine from a massive fish. That little patch of sky is my only glimmer of hope of seeing the northern lights tonight. Well, dinner's probably not gonna happen, but we can test out my new water filter. Now we just lock this baby in place. Here's our water. It's got some floaties in it. Right onto the flame. It's done. Water cooled down. I think we just stick it in here. Don't mind the skeeters and the spider. It's not gonna hurt anyone. You just pump it like this. Oh my gosh. This looks so nasty. Okay. Now I guess it's time to taste it. Let me... Oh! Hey, little guy. That's my water, bro. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, smells like lake. You know, it tastes way better than it smells, which is kind of weird. Now, all we can really do is wait. See if the northern lights show up. We did it, guys. I'm staring at the northern lights as we speak. It's really hard to see with the camera on my phone. Check this out. I'm so happy guys enjoyed this video.